Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check graphics card memory on laptop. Okay, so it is very simple. You can simply go to Task Manager. Before that, I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and currently running on Windows OS 11. Okay, so open your Start menu, then go to Search bar, then search about Task. So you can see there is Task Manager. Click on that, then you can get this window. So from the left side there is many buttons, and you can see here one is process and second one is performance. Click on performance, then you can see how many graphics supporting devices on your device. There is two GP0, that means Intel UHD graphics 630. Second one is dedicated graphics card NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000. So click on GPU1, then you will get what is your dedicated memory or what is your graphics memory on your laptop. In my case, there is 16 GB dedicated GB memory. So in this way, you can easily identify uh, how much memory have your graphics card. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.